Today our topic is solving the non-homogeneous system of equations by determinant method, that is Cramer's rule. Let A be a non-singular matrix. As per Cramer's rule, the solution of Ax equal to B is given by xi equal to determinant ai upon determinant a, where I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Here determinant ai is the determinant of matrix ai, which is obtained by replacing ith column ith column of a ith column of a by the right hand side column vector b, by the right hand side column vector b. So I will explain it by example. Let A be a non-singular matrix. A This is A, B, C, D. X, the solution vector is X, Y. X, Y are unknowns, and B equal to, suppose, P, K. So let determinant of A is given by D. A, B, C, D. This is determinant of A. Now D1, determinant D1, this is given by, now here we replace this column by column vector pk. Okay, so pk and here bd. Again d2 is the determinant which is obtained by replacing this second column by column vector. So we have A, C, and BD is replaced by P, K. Okay, now solution is given by X equal to determinant D1 upon D and Y equal to determinant D1 upon determinant D, determinant D2 upon determinant D. This is Cramer's rule. Okay. Now following cases arise here. Case 1, when determinant A is non-zero, when determinant A is non-zero, the system of equations is consistent and the solution obtained is unique. Consistent and the solution is unique. Case 2, when determinant A equal to 0 and one or more determinant AI, one or more determinant AI are not zero, one or more determinant AI are not zero, then the system of equation has no solution. No solution. System of equations has no solution and the system is inconsistent. Case third, when determinant A equal to 0 and all AI are 0. When determinant A is 0 and all determinant AI are 0, then the system of equation is consistent and there are infinite number of solutions. Infinite solutions or many solutions. Okay, this was all about Cramer's rule. Now we'll take some examples. So first example is x minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. Now we have to solve this system of equations by Cramer's rules. Okay. So first of all, we will take the coefficient matrix. From these system of equations, we will take coefficient matrix, that is A equal to coefficient matrix is 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Solution vector is x y z and B column vector is 402. 402. Now first of all, taking the determinant of A. Determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. So its determinant will be 10. Okay. Hence the matrix A is non-singular because the determinant is some non-zero value and the system of equations has unique solution. So by Cramer's rule, determinant A1 equal to Now in first case we will replace this first column by this column vector. So we have 402 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 3 1 and its determinant is 20. You all know how to take determinant of a matrix. Second, A2. Determinant A2. In this case, the first column is as it is 1 2 1 and this second column is replaced by column vector. So minus 1 instead of minus 1 we will write 4 0 2 and third column will be as it is minus 3 1. 1 to 1 4 0 2 1 minus 3 1 and its determinant is minus 10. Okay. Similarly, A3, determinant A3. Determinant A3. In this case, these two columns will remain as it is 1 2 1 minus 1 1 1 and this third column is replaced by B. So this is 4 0 2 and its value is determinant's value is 10. Now we will come to solution. Solution is given by x equal to determinant A1 upon determinant A, and determinant A1 is 20, determinant A was 10, so x equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, y equal to determinant A2 upon determinant A, and this is equal to determinant A2 is minus 10 upon 10, and z equal to determinant A3 upon determinant A, and this is equal to 10 upon 10. Okay, this is 1 and this is minus 1. So the values of x, y and z are x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 1. This is the solution of system of equations. Now we will take some other example. Solve the system of equations if possible by Cramer's rule. X minus y plus 3z equal to 3, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 2, 3x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 5. Now this is the system of equations, and the solution of this system of equation is given by ax equal to b. Here a equal to coefficient matrix is 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4. This is coefficient matrix. Solution vector is x, y, z, and column vector is b equal to 3, 2, 5. Now from here, first of all, we will determine the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1 into 12 minus 2 plus 1 into 8 minus 3 plus 3 into 4 minus 9, and this will come out 0. Okay, determinant of A is 0. So this is singular matrix, and this may come from case 2 or case 3. Okay, now using Cramer's rule, determinant A1 equal to, here we replace this first column by column vector 3, 2, 5, then minus 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, and this determinant will come out 0. Second, determinant A2 equal to, determinant A2. Here we replace this second column by column vector. So first column will be same 1, 2, 3, and the second column will be 3, 2, 5, and third column will be same as that is in A, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, and its determinant will also be 0. You can find out it. Okay, determinant A2 is 0 and determinant A3. First two column will same 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, 2, and this third column is replaced by B. So this is 3, 2, 5, and determinant will be 0. Okay, so this is third case we have discussed earlier. This means that the system of equations is consistent because all determinant of A is 0 and all determinant, all AI's are 0 here. Okay, determinant of A1 0, determinant of A2 0, determinant of A3 0. So this is the third case where determinant A 0 and all determinant AI are 0. Okay, so system of equations is consistent and has infinite number of solutions or many solutions. So this is solved by taking z equal to t. Here we take z equal to t, where t is some arbitrary value. Okay, and from first two equations, x minus y equal to 3 minus 3t and 2x plus 3y equal to 2 minus t. 2 minus t, and solving for x and y from these two equations, we have x equal to 11 minus 10t upon 5 and y equal to 5t minus 4 upon 5 and z equal to t. Z equal to t, we have already assumed it. Okay, so for various values of t, there will be various values of x and y, and hence the x, y, z will have many values, so the solution is infinite. Thanks.